Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. Which of the following is the most common type of renal calculus? The correct answer is calcium oxalate. Calcium oxalate stones are the most common type of renal calculus, accounting for approximately 75 to 85% of all kidney stones. சரியான பதில் 75 முதல் 85% வரை. Question 2. A 65-year-old male presents with increased urinary frequency, nocturia, and weak stream. Digital rectal examination, DRE, reveals a smooth, enlarged prostate. What is the most likely diagnosis? 65. DRE. The correct answer is benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Increased urinary frequency, nocturia, weak stream, and a smooth, enlarged prostate on DRE are classic symptoms and findings of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. சரியான பதில் BPH. DRE, BPH. Question 3. Which of the following is considered the primary screening test for prostate cancer? The correct answer is prostate-specific antigen, PSA. The prostate-specific antigen, PSA, blood test is widely used as the primary screening test for prostate cancer, often in conjunction with a digital rectal examination, DRE. சரியான பதில் BSA. BSA, DRE. Question 4. The most common presenting symptom of bladder cancer is? The correct answer is painless hematuria. Painless hematuria, blood in the urine, is the most common and often the first symptom of bladder cancer, occurring in about 85% of cases. சரியான பதில் 85%. Question 5. Hydronephrosis is defined as the dilation of the renal pelvis and calyces, most commonly caused by? The correct answer is obstruction of urine flow. Hydronephrosis is most commonly caused by an obstruction in the urinary tract that prevents the free flow of urine, leading to its accumulation and dilation of the renal collecting system. சரியான பதில். Question 6. Which of the following is a common site for impaction of a ureteric calculus? The correct answer is uretrovesical junction. The uretrovesical junction, UVJ, where the ureter enters the bladder, is the narrowest point of the ureter and a common site for ureteric calculi to become impacted. சரியான பதில் UVJ. Question 7. Which class of drugs is commonly used as first-line medical therapy for symptomatic benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, to relax smooth muscle in the prostate and bladder neck? BPH? The correct answer is alpha blockers. Alpha blockers, example tamsulosin, alfuzosin, are first-line agents for BPH symptoms as they relax the smooth muscles in the prostate and bladder neck, improving urine flow. சரியான பதில் BPH. Question 8. Gleason score is used to grade the aggressiveness of which urological cancer? The correct answer is prostate cancer. The Gleason score is a system used to grade the aggressiveness of prostate cancer based on the microscopic appearance of prostate cells in a biopsy. Sariyana Badil. Question 9. The initial treatment for most superficial bladder tumors is. The correct answer is transurethral resection of bladder tumor, TURBT. Transurethral resection of bladder tumor, TURBT, is the standard initial treatment for most non-muscle invasive, superficial, bladder tumors, used for both diagnosis and removal. Sariyana Badil, TURBT. TURBT. Question 10. Increasing fluid intake is a general recommendation for the prevention of most types of renal calculi. For calcium oxalate stones, what dietary modification is also often advised? The correct answer is reduced oxalate intake. For calcium oxalate stones, reducing dietary oxalate intake, found in foods like spinach, rhubarb, chocolate, nuts, is often recommended in addition to increased fluid intake. Sariyana Badil. Question 11. Prolonged severe hydronephrosis can ultimately lead to. The correct answer is chronic kidney disease. Prolonged and severe hydronephrosis, due to persistent obstruction, can cause irreversible damage to the renal parenchyma, leading to chronic kidney disease. Sariyana Badil. Question 12. Transurethral resection of the prostate, TURP, is a common surgical procedure for BPH. A potential complication unique to TURP is TURP, BPH. TURP. The correct answer is retrograde ejaculation. Retrograde ejaculation, where semen flows backward into the bladder during orgasm, is a common and unique complication of TURP due to the surgical removal of tissue around the bladder neck. Sariyana Badil. TURP. Question 13. Recently, the National Medical Commission, NMC, approved an increase of 70 MBBS seats at RIMS Ranchi. In which state is RIMS Ranchi located? NMC, RIMS 70 MBBS. RIMS. The correct answer is Jharkhand. RIMS Ranchi, Rajendra Institute of Medical Sciences, is a medical college and hospital located in Ranchi, the capital city of Jharkhand. Sariyana Badil. RIMS. Question 14. A recent medical news highlighted a rare lung-sparing surgery performed on a 4-month-old infant. Such advanced pediatric surgeries are often performed at specialized centers. This type of news emphasizes advancements in which medical field? Nangal. The correct answer is pediatric surgery. The news about a rare lung-sparing surgery on a 4-month-old infant directly highlights advancements and expertise in the field of pediatric surgery, which deals with surgical procedures in children. Sariyana Badil. Nangal. Question 15. Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini recently spoke about the Hydrogen Train initiative. This initiative is primarily aimed at promoting The correct answer is renewable energy and sustainable transport. The Hydrogen Train initiative is part of a broader effort to promote renewable energy sources and sustainable transport solutions, aiming to reduce carbon emissions in the railway sector. Sariyana Badil. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.